Welcome to BrokerCheck, your reliable source for unbiased reviews of online brokers. Today, we're reviewing Exness, an online brokerage that offers trading services to clients worldwide. In this review, we'll explore the various features and offerings of Exness, as well as any potential drawbacks or considerations to keep in mind when choosing this broker. But before we start, make sure to read our risk disclaimer carefully. Founded in 2008, Exness has since grown to become one of the leading online brokers with a global presence and a wide range of trading instruments. In this review, we will highlight the key features of Exness. With its low fees and high-quality trading services, Exness has become a popular broker among traders. The broker stands out for not charging swap for the most popular assets, making it beneficial for those who use long-term strategies. In addition, Exness charges low spreads on its trading instruments, with some accounts having spreads as low as 0.0 pips. Most account types have no commission, deposit, or withdrawal fees, making it an attractive option for traders looking to minimize trading costs. Exness offers a range of account types to cater to different traders' needs, including the Zero, Pro, Raw Spread, and Standard accounts. The Zero and Pro accounts are ideal for experienced traders who want low spreads and fast execution speeds, while the Raw Spread account offers raw market spreads with a small commission per trade. The Standard account is a good choice for beginners as it has no commission and offers fixed spreads. Speaking about leverage, Exness offers high leverage of up to 2,000 depending on the account type and the instrument being traded. While high leverage can magnify potential profits, it also comes with increased risk, so traders should always have a risk management strategy in place. Exness offers around 200 trading instruments, which include forex, metals, crypto, energies, stocks, and indices. Exness offers its clients a variety of advanced trading platforms to choose from. The most popular platforms are MetaTrader 4, MT4, and MetaTrader 5, MT5. Both platforms are user-friendly and come with a wide range of features and tools that are suitable for both novice and experienced traders. Moreover, Exness provides access to transparent price history with tick-level data for all instruments, which enables traders to make informed decisions based on accurate historical data. Another feature that sets Exness apart is the variety of payment methods that it offers, including Bitcoin and Tether. This allows traders to fund their accounts and withdraw their profits easily and efficiently. Additionally, Exness offers social trading, which enables traders to follow and copy the strategies of other successful traders. This is a great way for new traders to learn from experienced traders and earn profits in the process. When it comes to regulation and security, Exness is licensed and regulated by several leading international governing bodies, including the Financial Services Authority, FSA, in Seychelles, the Central Bank of Curaçao and Sint Maarten, the Financial Services Commission, FSC, in BVI, the Financial Services Commission, FSC, in Mauritius, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, in South Africa, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CISEC, and the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the United Kingdom, UK. Exness accepts many local payment solutions, as well as BTC and USDT crypto solutions for deposits, and the company charges no fees for deposits or withdrawals. Exness allows trading in a variety of account currencies. In summary, Exness is a well-established forex and CFD broker that offers a variety of features and tools for traders. Its fast and efficient withdrawals, variety of payment methods, advanced trading platforms, transparent price history, and social trading are some of the benefits that traders can enjoy when trading with Exness. However, there are some drawbacks, such as limited trading instruments, no guaranteed stop-loss orders, and no EU traders allowed, which may impact some traders. Overall, Exness is a reputable broker that has gained a strong reputation in the forex industry. Its focus on technology and innovation, along with its commitment to providing a secure and transparent trading environment, has made it a popular choice among traders worldwide. If you are looking for a reliable and trustworthy broker, Exness is definitely worth considering.